I should keep zooming in, bro. Yeah, bro. Fucking, hold on. Move this over here too. Freaking, you went to break down gold, right?
Yeah, we could go to US 30. No matter.
Alright, cool. Yeah, I ain't using my desktop. I don't like how it be recorded. It don't mean it's clean. So gold, right? So we had, let's go to H4. So we got gold in the overall uptrend, right? But we
Yeah,
actually sitting in this consolidation zone right now. So gold made a high point, then it made a low point, and it just been consolidating ever since. It's been consolidating ever since.
yeah.
And so it looks sloppy on the daily. So if we go to H4 now, let's get rid of this zone. If we go to H4, now, we can see that price. I mean, it was consolidating, right? We in a consolidation zone, and price was making lower lows and lower highs. So it made a low, testing this low, right? Let's start this back. So let's go back. We in a consolidation, but still, price was still making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, low, being that this is the same support right here. It didn't break until it made a lower high, then it signified the downtrend, right? So it made a lower high point, it made a lower low. And price broke above this lower high point, solidifying bullish momentum to make a higher high. So price is sitting at a higher low right now, right? So we could go down to H1 time frame, and while we go down to the H1 time frame, we'll see that price was doing a pullback to make that higher low on the H4, was doing the same thing, was just a downtrend on H1, M30, and so on and so forth, right? So we had lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It was still lower than this high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So now it broke that higher high. That's why I have this resistance line right here, right? Price broke it. So at first I was looking for sells to continue the downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low. I was looking for sells. That's why I have this line here. But being that price broke it and it's approaching the MA, I mean, it's broken, but it's not solidified. It depends how this H1 candle close right here. That's gonna end in 12 minutes because we got bullish, bearish. So now we got to look for a bullish candle to solidify the break, right? Because this bearish candle right here has a lot of wick. So it
You could
has
actually put the wicks slightly showing a bullish.
no. This wick is
No.
showing that it was half. This is giving doji because half
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
wick.
Okay.
Half of the candle is wick and the other half is candle. You feel me? So it didn't solidify the break. So now this candle look like it's pushing up to bullish and it look like it's gonna break this MA. So once price break this MA along with pushing price up and price solidifying this break of this resistance, we could look for a pullback. All right. So we're looking for this to even come up somewhere in this zone or even hit this demand zone and then push price back up. And that's when we'll start looking for buys when this pullback happen, whether it tests this resistance here or come into this demand zone from this consolidation zone and push up. And then we could look for look for buys. Once it get here and it breaks back above this level, then we could look for something like this. And we could actually hold this trade due to the fact of on the higher time frames we got a bullish momentum. So we could target negative 27% on H4. And we could probably go down to M30, M15, and all the higher highs and all the higher lows. We could look for higher lows and start just straight putting in buys from these higher low points. So remember, higher low point is always entry base point.
Yeah.
Right. So if we do, because this is how the market move, you know that. Right. A little sloppy, but these are all entry base points right here. You want to always enter somewhere around here, somewhere around there. After the higher low point, you want to enter and ride the wave. You know, the trend is your friend. Higher low point, and then you want to just ride the wave up. And that's when you want to get in. So you always want to get in around this little squiggly line. So you want to be patient enough to wait for the higher low and then for price to start pushing up. And then just ride the wave along the way. And then you look for buys. Yeah, so that's what we're waiting for right now on gold. And look, it's giving a little pullback right here. So it might not even solidify that break yet. Because look, it has to break this candle right here to solidify the break. For that candle to be bullish. Because look, we go back on H1. See, it didn't break above that candle yet. It didn't break above the bearish candle. So until it breaks and close above it, then we'll know it's solidified for the break.
You gotta come 10 minutes to watch it to see how play out for the hour.
Yeah. We could come back to it at 1 o'clock. So you was looking at US 30. So US 30, I'm looking for sells.
Yes.
So I'm looking for sells. And I actually was going to take a sell too. But I said, let me be patient because this is just consolidation right now. Because, look, we had higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. And then we just got sideways movement where this came up, made a lower high point, but it's still within the zone. And look, this came back, made a higher low point. So at first, I was looking for sells, and being that price didn't want to just push, it wanted to correct itself properly, I was going to look for buys here. I know it would have been a counter trend trade on M15. This could have been a higher.
That's what I was looking at this morning. This morning, I was looking for a potential buy, even though the best thing, in my opinion, would just wait for the confirmation for the sell. Because when you look at the hold on a second. You look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that's where it would normally.
Price made a support right here.
Yeah.
M15 support, high low point. So I was gonna look for buys, but all these candles, it's not looking like bullish, strong bullish candles to be confident to take the buy. See, this candle got mad wick on both sides, doji, a long wick to the downside, but a little wick at the top, and then this next candle is a doji. So good thing I didn't take the buy, because if you would have took this buy, you'd be in drawdown right now. Yeah, your stop loss would have been below, but you will be in drawdown. Why wait for drawdown? Why wait and be in drawdown? And you could just wait for a good solid bullish candle where this could potentially be another higher low point. Let's check the M5. Okay, so this is the downtrend right here. Okay, still testing this high, but price just made a support right here. And it looks good. So this is actually a good potential buy area right now. So let's say if we was to take this buy, stops below, and then we could target this high point for 1 or 2. Let's see, yeah, 1 or 2.8. Probably take it even higher though. We could take it to -27% on 1 to 4. So this candle about to close at 1 o'clock also. So if this candle close like that, we could act like we took the buy and see how it plays out. See how it play out. But I'm gonna wait for the main trend and take sells. But I should take this buy though. I don't know. It looks good. But it's 12. It's about to be 1 o'clock. They probably at lunch. You know, all those things factor in too. All these people be at lunch. So You just never know. So they ain't really trying to move no money right now. But we could keep it here and let's see how it plays out. We was talking about UJ or GU the last time.
I think it was UJ.
UJ. Oh, I was looking at GU.
Yeah, you're using a GU now. I was talking about UJ.
I was looking for sales, but this is disgusting. I did take a sell, but I got stopped out because I thought this was the pullback. This pullback here, and it broke below the zone, the selling zone, where sellers is at. Because look, sellers stepped in, pushed price lower, and it corrected it. It pulled back, but this is just sloppy movements now. But I could probably still wait to see if it breaks above and continue. But on M15 is looking bullish. High, low, higher, high. We gotta wait to see if it breaks this area right here. But let's go to UJ though. Oh yeah, so remember we were saying UJ, he was looking for buys above this zone. No, it was above this zone last time. Was it above this zone? Where was it? We had this. Yeah, we was looking for buys above the zone. And look, that shit shot up. That shit was gone.
Mm-hmm.
That shit is gone.
Watch it, Beth.
That shit left us. I think I missed it because this happened at 3 a.m. London session. That's your session.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, bro,
but it's crazy though because UJ is not even a London session pair. It's US and JPY. That's fucking Asian session. Like, why the hell is it pushing during London? Like, that's crazy to me. So once I seen this happen, I was like, oh yeah. So once I woke up, price was already up here. 5, 6. I woke up like 7, 8. Price was already right here at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, price was on this candle right here. This was the 8 o'clock candle. Price was already right there. So it was like, should I take this? My stop loss is about to be mad long. Pause. And I don't know where it's going to stop. You feel me? The most I would have been up for 2.5. And I would have been, right now, I would have been up to a 1.1. So damn near breaking even. I would have risked 5 bills and I would have been up for like 5, 6 bills right now. And it just didn't make sense. So I just said I'm just going to wait for the pullback. So price could potentially get below this zone. Breaking the MA. Bouncing off somewhere here. And bouncing back above this zone. And then we could take it to negative 27%. Or we could get a steeper pullback, which we want to get a steeper pullback. Because this steeper pullback is going to be better. Get a pullback, and once it break back above the zone, stops below the zone.
Be a great buy.
Great. So you could take it back to 100 to 0%, or you could take it to negative 27%. Take it to negative 27%. That's a 1 to 9, 1 to 10. A band, you can make 10 bands on this trade, risking a band. Make 20, risking 2 bands. Feel me? And plus you could scale in too. Because you can go on smaller time frames, M15, M5, and every high or low point, when the market is pushing back up, entry point, buy. Just like right now, whoever's counter trending this trade, no, these are all entries right here. You already know you had a higher high, so you already know price is looking for a higher low. Lower high, lower high. These are both selling zones right there. M5 looks better. Boom, this looks good. Looks good. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And now you're just waiting for price to break this low, right? Where it's given a lot of rejection due to the fact is buys are sitting here. So we want to wait to see sellers push that market back lower to get a cheaper price.
Based on the RSI though. RSI potentially, I'm not sure. Just might actually go back up.
On what? What time frame? On the 15-minute?
Yeah.
The RSI is showing bullish?
Slightly, in a sense.
But, I mean, price is, nothing beats price. The RSI got to wait for price no matter what.
No matter what.
So it's given that because we got a bullish candle right here that's solidified. That's trying to solidify support. It's trying to solidify support for the yeah, it's trying to solidify support right now, which it looks like it's going to because it's about to close in 40 seconds. But it all depends. Let's see what it does. It could just push up, retest this resistance here, and then continue lower. Right? Because we got a lower high point right here.
I have it for
As long as they don't break this high
I
point,
have
then we still good
retested
for the.
there
Huh?
right on the previous lower high.
Say that again.
Sorry, yeah. I had it to retest right under the previous lower high.
Right under it.
Up top, right up top.
Wow,
The
you
previous
gotta.
one too. I think.
So you gotta retest in this zone right here somewhere.
Yeah.
Why?
Now, I look. I know not to like the RSI, but I tried to like see where both of them could match up and see if both of them can like react to a certain point.
Yeah, but I'm asking why you think it should retest this zone?
Because I'm watching on the RSI, I'm watching where the buyers at and where the buyers like start fluctuating and start spiking out on the RSI.
Okay.
Like for example, let's see. Exactly. Well, it doesn't have to be exactly, but in a range of like 146, 649.
You said 6 what?
146, 649.
649?
Yeah, 146.
649, that's all the way up here.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because this is a consolidation zone that could potentially be used as a supply. Also, this right here, this is a little consolidation that, price built up that potentially made a little supply zone right there. So potentially that. Ain't wrong with that part. And right here, price could probably just trying to grab liquidity above this, right? So it might come up, sweep, hit liquidity, and then continue bearish. But look how that closed. It's 1 o'clock already? Yeah. Let's see how this closed. Yeah, solidified support. Let's go back to, what was the other pairs we was on? Oh, yeah, was it this? Yeah, he was looking to see how this was closing. See how it didn't close, how it shit pulled all the way back. Because now it's going to consolidate and do pure fuckery. What was the other shit we was looking at? He was looking for it to close, right? See, even this H1 candle that we was looking for to close above that bearish candle, it didn't close. See, because it's already 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. The money ain't moving. The bankers, they not on the phone. Yo, sell gold, buy gold. They ain't on it right now. They on lunch.
They're gonna stay here just looking at shit at the moment.
Yeah, so the market's gonna do fuckery right now. The market ain't moving. Same with US 30. That's why I got this big ass doji. See this doji candle on H1 time frame? This is ugly. This one right here, disgusting. Happy I didn't take that bar. Same with all these pairs. Let's see what you look like. Same thing. This is just consolidation along this zone. Because above here is buyers, below here is sellers. So they fighting right now. Trying to see who want to buy the pound and sell the dollar. So we never know.
See what gold looking like?
Say that again? Gold?
Yeah, under 15.
I mean, the 15 doesn't matter.
No.
It's all dojis. This is nothing. Look, H1 is giving doji. This is sideways movement. 1, 2 hours. Sideways movement. 12 o'clock and 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock.
Oh, you're pretty much damn near all doing the same shit right now.
Yeah, everybody's just consolidating. Market's just quiet right now. Down. That New York, that morning volume done pushed. Everything looking. Let me see how USD.
You ain't got no No, previous screenshot of any markup you did. So probably just practice up that shit or some shit.
Say that again?
Do you have any like previous markups or screenshots of any charts that you practice on them?
Nah. I just have from the last markup we did. Then I did a Sunday markup. That's on my YouTube. That's the only thing. That's the only markups I have. Well, what's today? Wednesday? I mean, oh well, today could be my midweek breakdown. Fuck it, right? Cause I was gonna do a midweek breakdown on Wednesday anyway, which is today. But
What's the name on YouTube again?
Huh?
Your name on YouTube?
The Profit Lounge. I'm about to change it though. I'm about to just make it my name. Cause, I mean, my name is gonna be more built than my freaking my business name. Cause I'm building my brand, so my brand itself. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, my brother.
That's good.
Yeah, freaking lower high point, like USD CHF still tanked. So I see.
Should I expect to hear you saying "Hey chat" or not?
Yeah. Yeah, you stupid. So now I guess we could probably get rid of this because now we're getting bullish momentum. USD CHF. Well, not really. Price is just testing this high point. Then we have a low point right here. Low point right here. So it's consolidating right now. So let's see. Let's modify this fib though. Let's get rid of all this. Let's see. Point A to point B. 23.6, and it's just consolidating around 23.6 right now. Yeah, so ain't really nothing to do right now on USD Swiss. Price could potentially go bullish to create that that lower high point for the H4. Yeah, price need to go bullish to but it's just consolidating right now. It's between this high point and this low point. So until we break out, then we could potentially get some buys going for the dollar. And that'll be confluence with UJ. Because I mean, the dollar's going to get stronger. It's going to push UJ up because the dollar is first. It's going to push the dollar up first. And it's going to push GBP USD down because the dollar is second. So it needs to sell. So all those are going to be confluence. And it's going to push gold down if the dollar get bullish. It's going to push gold down. And then the dollar get weak again and then push gold back up when the dollar's weak. So all these things is running concurrent. Man, ain't nothing to do today, bro. Just save it on this H1 chart. I got my alert here for price to pull back. And then we can see what's going on. So above this zone, we get some buyers. And that's it. And below this zone, we got sellers. So we also got to keep a lookout for that too. If the price break the support, then sellers are stepping in the market. Sellers are selling.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch out for this one for gold. I'm definitely looking out for gold for sure.
Yeah. Set your alert to see what it does when it gets back to the zone. But that's about it, man. Ain't really nothing going on.
No.
Just gotta be patient. You just gotta go outside and do other things. I'm about to freaking put out this content. I'm about to edit this video right here that we just did. I'm about to put out the last one we did. And keep my mind off of this so I ain't gotta force no trades. That's it. You gotta get out. Hit the gym later. You at the gym? No, you gotta hit the gym, right? Gotta go to the
I am. I'm going to clean my room first. So I gotta clean my room. I'm see if I can get a couple bumps in and then pack my case. Pack my suitcase and get out of here tomorrow.
Oh, you leaving tomorrow, right? You going to Jamaica?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Oh, so we definitely could freaking.
Nah, Cap. What's today? Wednesday?
Today, Wednesday, yeah.
Nah. I'm leaving Friday, but tomorrow I'm just be doing too much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So thing. Don't forget to do your pull-ups, man. Get your weight up. My son out
Yeah,
here. My son is 285 doing pull-ups. I sent it to Banks. Banks, yo, I'm 300. I can't do pull-ups.
Yeah. I ain't trying to hear that shit.
He told you? I sent it to my son.
Nah, he didn't tell me, but I ain't trying to hear that though. You feel me?
Look.
Niggas gonna always find an excuse. It's alright. I've been finding excuses too, bro. Nah, our boy getting up there.
My son do pull-ups.
Yeah.
I said it to Banks. Banks like, you ought to know it was possible. What? Nigga, I told you could do pull-ups, bro. What you talking about? It ain't possible. You ain't know it's possible. I told you it's possible. What the hell? My other son, Rory, he about to be 60. He do pull-ups. He 260.
Them niggas in Wingate though, man. Nah. Well, head niggas different.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. He gotta do fucking get his weight up. Do some pull-ups. Talking about he can't do pull-ups because he 300 and he 280, this and that. But yeah, bro. We gonna talk.
Okay, no, we're gonna push over.
All right, bro.
Recording stopped.